Alabama has set another record for COVID cases reported in one day. More than 11,000 new cases are being reported today. This is the fourth consecutive day we have reached a new record high. WVUA 23's Jabari Pruitt has been following these numbers all day. He joins us now with all the details. Jabari?
Well, Tamika, the latest numbers come as Alabama is in the middle of a COVID surge. The state is setting records for new cases almost every day, which means a lot of people are showing up in emergency rooms and other facilities for medical care.
Alabama breaks the record for new COVID-19 cases reported in one day, 11,075 as of Wednesday.
And we know that's an underestimate because it doesn't include people who have been fortunate enough to find an in-home test kit. 41% of the tests coming back are positive now.
Dr. Don Williamson, president of the Alabama Hospital Association, says health officials have not seen anything spread this fast. He says he's seeing that now in the hospitals.
Unfortunately, we have seen hospitalizations go from about 330 on December the 3rd to yesterday, 1,246.
As of Wednesday, there were 90 more COVID-positive patients hospitalized than the day before. 1,336 people are in Alabama hospitals.
We've seen ICU bed usage double. We've now got over 200 people in our ICUs. The good news in all of this, I suppose, is that ventilators, we have less than 100 people on ventilators. That's still a win. But given the number of cases we're seeing now, I don't think there's any doubt that our hospital numbers are going to continue to rise.
Dr. Williamson says on Tuesday, 30 people were in Alabama hospitals with influenza and 1,200 people with COVID.
We don't hospitalize people with the common cold. We rarely have to hospitalize people with influenza. And so to assume that just because statistically this is less severe and you can therefore treat it like influenza or the cold, that is a very dangerous assumption, and that assumption will cause some people to die unnecessarily.
Dr. Williamson says the message at this point is you have to make a decision about whether or not going into any large group gatherings indoors is a wise decision. He says if you make the decision to attend an indoor event, your best defense is to wear a mask. Dr. Williamson says you have to assume you are going to be exposed.
Now, Dr. Williamson says even if you wear a mask, it's not guaranteed you will not catch COVID, but it will reduce your chances. He says if you have been vaccinated and haven't been boosted, get boosted. In the studio tonight, Jabari Pruitt, WVUA 23 News.